Check out her new babies, hatched yesterday. They're gonna be pretty like their daddy there. Chocolate gray mug. He's a big boy. Mommy trying to teach him where the worms are over next to the fence. She's just a gray mug. Bred her with that chocolate gray mug. She's been digging at that fence big time. About time to replace. But they so cute. Check them out, y'all. What do you think, Big Mama? Just want to see your babies. Yeah, we hear you, Daddy. Oh, you're so handsome, little things. Looking good. She's taking care of them.